Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add Microsoft account to Google Authenticator. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Make sure you're on your Microsoft account and then click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and select My Microsoft Account. And on this page you will go over to Security. Then next you're going to go over to Manage How I Sign In. And then right here you're going to choose Add a new way to sign in or verify. Then select Use an app, and on this page it says set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. However, in our case we want to use the Google Authenticator app, so we're going to go ahead and select set up a different Authenticator app. Click on it, and then you're going to open your Google Authenticator app, and at the bottom right corner click on the plus icon, and then select Scan a QR code. Now with the code on your PC, you can scan the code using your mobile device which has the Google Authenticator with the QR code on the screen. And as you can see in the Google Authenticator, we now have our Microsoft Outlook account here on Google Authenticator. The next thing you need to do is to come over to step number 4 where it says verify the pairing was successful by entering the code below. You're going to put in the code in the Google Authenticator. So this is a code as indicated in the Google Authenticator, and we're going to click on next. As you can see, we have entered a code from an Authenticator app, which is the Google Authenticator. So this has successfully added your Microsoft account to Google Authenticator. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.